Pack Talk Edge. Use Dan the Man Fire code. Dan the Fireman. I use this code to get the 22% off for the 4th of July. And let's do an unboxing. All right, so here's the box. We're gonna put it on this Shoei helmet, and then we're gonna put on this Shoei helmet. I got the Duo, so try to do this with one hand. And look at that. And then we got the 4th of July sale, like I said, so we got the America, fuck yeah. And this is them. This is cool. See, it like clips on and stuff, and that's pretty cool. They give you that, and then you can have this one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's see what else is in here. Start here.
That's the, I guess, the installation.
I guess so.
Guide.
Booklet. Sticker.
Sticker.
And then, oh boy.
Oh, speaker.
Yeah, they give you, what is this? Looks like,
Let me open it for you.
yeah.
Well, here are the clips
Uh-huh.
for the helmet.
Clips for the helmet.
You also have,
That's the adapter.
yeah. And you have the microphone.
Mm-hmm. I have like 25 fucking mics in my shit. What is this?
More pads.
Mm-hmm. Gives you, these are the earpieces.
Yeah.
They're JBL, which is cool. I guess these are like if you have a half helmet. And then what else? And here are the charging.
Oh, and the magnetic clips.
Yep. Cool. Camera skills blow. Oh wow, just like that.
Very strong too.
Why do you take it off?
Wow, very strong. I gotta figure it out. Oh, you gotta slide it.
Slide it.
Like
There you go.
Very strong magnet. Boom.
Boom. Just clips right in.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right there.
This Subaru Domingo GX all-wheel drive. This is an interesting thing, man. This is like so Japanese. This is so cool. It's really nice to see something that's not like not common. This car is certified silly. My other car is a 1996 Nissan Maxima. I owe Luke Oakley $2,000. My Cybertruck, you know, your Cybertruck sucks. My truck is so fucking cool. That is fucking cool. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go! So I just got the new Cardo system and the Pack Talk Edge. I got it on sale thanks to Dan the Fireman's code. I wanted to do an install video, but then before I realized it, I had the whole fucking thing installed already. And yeah, I fucked that up, and I'm not taking this fucking helmet apart again. That was a pain in the ass. That was a pain in the ass, taking this fucking helmet apart. This Shoei X15. No thanks. And I've just been messing with the settings on the bike, getting the bike paired and then getting the phone paired to it, and I'm having like connection issues and shit, only because I don't really think I know what I'm doing. But the Cardo's audio, like I was listening to music before I turned the camera on because of that fucking funky Subaru. It's crystal clear at speed. Really, really nice and crystal clear. Let's lean, baby. Let's lean that bike. I wonder how deep we got. Probably, I'm thinking like 35 degrees. That's what I'm thinking. 35 degrees. Let's see. Let's see. Going to sport. Press down. 36. See, I was off a little bit. Yeah. I think I've only broke 40 degrees maybe twice. Well, again, I'm not carrying a lot of speed through these corners, but still, I still want to get over the fear, I guess. I have a fear of leaning. Whatever. But yeah, I wanted to talk about the Cardo Pack Talk Edge. Use Dan the fireman's code for the 4th of July 22% off sale. That was awesome. I got the Pack Talk Duo because my stepdad and I went half and half for it and paid around $600 for it. I was really happy because like the Duo was like $800. So I was really happy with that. But anyway, quick video. The Cardo Pack Talk Edge, absolutely fucking awesome. The Pro has, the bigger JBL speakers, and it has the that crash response thing, which I don't need because the BMW already has it. It has the intelligent crash response that connects you to emergency services and everything. So I don't need it. But the voice clarity through like phone calls and everything, super crisp. I could hear whoever I'm talking to. There's not a lot of like interference from the outside, and they can't even hear the bike. But granted, I'm not running with like a shorty exhaust can or anything. I have the stock Akrapovic slip-on so that is awesome. But thanks for tuning in. This is a really quick video. Trying to keep content coming. I've just been so busy with work, and it's been raining like all the fucking time, like all week, every week. It sucks, man. It's tough to get out and have a good content rolling right now for me. So for all of you that subscribed and watch my videos, I absolutely appreciate the continued support. And I know that I have some things going in the future that I'm pretty excited about. But stay tuned. Good things will happen to all those who wait. God bless you. God bless America. Drink plenty of water, and check in on your friends every now and then, man. All right, peace out. Bye bye.